me refresh the page again, and check it out, guys. The results are right there on your screens. I'll definitely celebrate my little victory. Hey friends! Over the years, I've tested dozens of ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Most of them failed. Some worked for a while and then disappeared completely. But there's one method that just refuses to go away. No matter how many trends come and go, people keep asking the same question. How do I make money with cloud mining? The problem is, almost no one shows the whole process. They show screenshots, they show promises, they show numbers. Today, we're going to do something different. I found a Telegram bot that analyzes game moves and helps you find the most profitable decisions based on statistics and algorithms. You should also be subscribed to this Telegram channel. You can experiment with absolutely any currency, but I decided to test it with Bitcoin. Then I paste my wallet address and move to the next step. Next, I choose the mining value, 0.01 Bitcoin. Perfect. The process starts immediately. So far, everything looks exactly as expected. Now the system is asking for a network fee to continue. Nothing unusual. I copy the address it provides, open my wallet, and prepare the transfer. Address pasted, amount entered. One final check, because once I hit this button, there's no going back. The transaction has been sent successfully. Now comes the part everyone is here for. Did it actually work? Oh, hold on. That was much faster than I expected. The notification just arrived. All right, this is where things get really interesting. I'm refreshing the page right now. Usually this takes around 20 to 30 seconds. Not gonna lie, this is the exact moment that decides everything. Let me refresh the page again, and check it out, guys. The results are right there on your screens. I'll definitely celebrate my little victory. If you have a friend who's also interested in this topic, be sure to share this video with them. Until next time, bye everyone.